Do I have room to add a 240 volts breaker in my panel? I'm trying to see if I have room to add a 240 volts line for a mini split. The mini split I got is a Gree with nominal 9 amp pull and manufacturer recommended breaker size of 20 amps. Any thoughts on an approach? Could I use a Siemens Q22020 CT2 where the pool heater or filter is to add the extra power? Current load info. With oven, pool pump, 2 refrigerators, 4 window AC, 1 mini split. Dryer, I'm about at 85A of the 200A power draw. Question from user Chris at Stack Exchange. Answer. First, the empty space. This has to be resolved before trying to close an electrical permit. Per the label of your G3040MB1200, all openings must be filled with breakers or filler plates. Next, for planning purposes, notice that you have mostly 20 amp breakers on the left, and mostly 15 amp breakers on the right. So pick your favorite side, and then buy 2 of the duplex breakers to replace 4 of the full-size breakers. For example, on the left side, you might want 2 of Q2020U or Q2020 AFC. This frees up space for either a full-size 2-pole breaker, or 2 more duplex breakers, or a whole quad package. If you go with this strategy, some other breakers will need to be moved up because the duplex breakers are only allowed in the bottom 5 slots on each side. Q22020 CT2 is a double common trip package and doesn't make sense for replacing 2 separate breakers. I'm guessing you didn't realize it was different from the Q22020 CTU breaker. The latter has a single common trip that would work for the 20 amp mini split. Alternatively, you could use the CT2 version to replace the 2-pole breaker in slots 25 and 27. Answer from user Robert Chapin at Stack Exchange.